Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to my channel. So this channel is about different concepts and procedures or the steps to be carried out in the field of research. So why we need research? It's always good to know a reason on why we do things in our life. Okay, for example, we eat to survive, we speak to communicate, we listen to understand, we try to express emotions. However, there are so many things in our life that we still don't know the reasons why they are happening or why they are occurring. For example, we may not be knowing why people in community A are dying more often than those in community B. Similarly, why are malaria cases rising in the Himalayas? Why are people in company A leaving the job more often than company B? Why are pregnant women in country A dying more than country B? So to answer these questions, we need data or evidence, okay? And that evidence is generated through systematic search for knowledge. And the systematic search for knowledge requires the series of procedures starting from identification of problem to setting of aims and objectives, designing a suitable method, collection of data, analysis and interpretation of data, followed by drawing conclusions and recommendations. That set of procedures is called research. So we need research to solve an existing identified problems, okay? And the ultimate aim is to make our life better for the humanity, for our society. So to make the earth a better place to live in, okay? So this goes in a stepwise a process. For example, we start with collection of evidence based on certain situation, and then based on that evidence we change our practices, we develop our practices, and again we have to collect the evidence to assess whether that practice worked well or not. And on the basis of the collected evidence we again make changes in our practice, and then this keeps on going forward. So process wise this may be a cyclical process, but direction wise this is always moving forward, okay? So this is why we need research. And research is growing in every sector because we have to optimize our living. We need to make the systems and processes in such a way that they are backed up by evidence. So thank you very much. Hope we interact more and more in the coming videos, and also please subscribe to this channel to understand the basic concepts, processes and steps to carry out the research. And I'll be happy to share my experiences and expertise as much as I can, but I equally need to support guys. So see you in the next tutorial, see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.